I would love to talk about Spider-Man. Spider-Man has been my favorite cartoon character and also comic book character. Um, you know, not the newest Spider-Man. Because that new Spider-Man, they have him shoot a web out of his wrist. Now, a real spider shoots webs out of his abdomen, basically almost like his ass. So, Spider-Man, to be a real spider, he had to almost shoot webs out of his ass. But in the series, in the comic books from the 1960s, and the cartoons, he went ahead and he shot webs that he made. He made his own webs. And so when Spider-Man shot him, he created that web mixture where he could naturally jump and all that kind of stuff and have Spidey sense, but he could not shoot the webs. So, he is fighting Dr. Octopus, Doc Ock, and but he had his own webs, and he would always be up there fixing new webs and trying to make a web that maybe was flame resistant or extra strong for the real strong villains. And but then they decided, oh, we'll just have him shoot it out naturally out of his body. And then in one of the series or one of the movies, he goes ahead and he couldn't shoot the web out because I guess maybe he was having premature web ejaculation or something. He couldn't shoot the webs out. But even look at here, Peter Parker is supposed to be a scientist. He's supposed to be like a really brain and building all his own stuff. He's always doing that stuff in the cartoons, and they forgot about using his basically geeky genius. He's almost like an Iron Man without the suit. And I sort of like that part about Peter Parker, that he's always trying to figure out how to beat his opponent through science. He has skills and he has the spider, strength and sense, and he can jump and crawl and all that kind of stuff. But he used his brain and science to beat the bad guys, and I liked that. That's what I liked about Spider-Man. He was always trying to beat the bad guys with his brain, basically. And I think we got away from that on the last few Spider-Man movies that came out, the franchises. They were all okay, but I never did like the Green Goblin character in the other one. They made him like he had a big, like some kind of Iron Man kind of suit, rather than he's just a freaky green guy that likes to throw those kind of those pumpkins and everything that explode and kill everybody. So anyway, tell me what you think about. Do you think that we should have a Spider-Man that shoots webs out of device he makes or out of his wrist? I think a device he makes, and I'd like to see a more scientific and smarter Spider-Man in the new movies hopefully coming up. But we'll see what happens, and thanks for hearing me out on this. But Spider-Man is a pretty good character, a pretty interesting character. I don't care. I don't want Spider-Man to become politically correct or screwed up. Hopefully they won't do that with him. But anyway, tell me what you think about Spider-Man, and I'd like to hear what you have to say about this. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.